Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, fan, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the rear speaker cable for later replacement. Disconnect the rear speaker cable from its connector on the USB audio board. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the rear speaker to the top cover. Lift the rear speaker off of its alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the rear speaker onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the rear speaker to the top cover. Connect the rear speaker cable into its connector on the USB audio board. Route the rear speaker cable through the routing channel on the top cover.